Hello, everyone. Welcome. Welcome on the Sunday evening. Welcome to Rak Talks, our weekly Sunday seminar. It's great to see all of you back here. And like every week, today also we have something very special planned for you. So I think everybody will agree when I say, children, they learn best. The best way of teaching children, or rather how they learn, is by observing. And because of that, it puts a very big responsibility on us, right, as parents, to set an example and to guide our children, to make them good Samaritans and good citizens. So this is what we are going to talk about today. And we have a prolific speaker who is going to come in later and explore this topic. But before that, all right. Okay, so just before, we have a little bit more fun for you and a lot of entertainment for you before we get into the main session. We have two of our students here all set to perform and rock this screen. Okay, so today we have students from the Kilpok branch, Abhinav Aditya. I think the audience is eagerly waiting. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así.
La discoteca, la fiesta no para, apenas comienza. C'est comme si, c'est comme ça, ma chérie. La 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 la. Francia, Colombia, me gusta. Freeze. Y Balvin, Willy William, me gusta. Freeze. Los DJ no mienten, le gusta a mi gente y eso se fue mundial. No le bajamos, mas nunca paramos, es otro palo y blanco.
¿Y dónde está mi gente? Me fue a bouger la tête.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was so cute. That was so great. We have Aradhana. We are all so eager to see you dance. So go for it.
Yeah.
Put your hands up. I'm in my reina bed.
Thank you, Aradhana. Such a bundle of energy you are. Thank you so much for that terrific performance. Thank you. Thank you so much. Same energy, I'd like to call on our speaker for today, Mr. Sudhir Rao. From dreams of becoming an astrophysicist to a career in IT spread over nearly 26 years, from 1991 to 2017, it has been a good roller coaster ride for Mr. Sudhir. 22 of those 26 years were spent living and working for Cognizant Technology Solutions in the US, UK, France, Netherlands, Singapore, Hong Kong, and India. That gave him a lot of global cultural exposure. On leaving Cognizant in 2017, he has been running leadership coaching workshops for corporate clients On the other hand, he coaches people one-on-one to help them achieve their goals. A certified Marshall Goldsmith leadership coach, he also holds a life coaching certification from CCA, which is Certified Coaches Alliance, based in Canada. He is a member of the Professional Speakers Association of India. Before joining Cognizant in 95, a previous job took him on board a crude oil tanker for a life-changing journey halfway across the world from India. His wife holds the family together as they have two sons who are 22 and 18 years old, respectively. On the other side, he loves to be physically and mentally fit and spend time with family, read books, listen to music, travel, and interact with people through talks, blogs, or discussions. With great pleasure, I'd like to invite Mr. Sudhir. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you very much for having me, Sandhya. That's a very nice introduction. Let me first start by saying that I love the dance both by Abhinav and Aradhana. My foot was tapping here, though I'm not what you would call a dancer. Abhinav, I love the way you slid. The sliding motion was superb. And Aradhana, that, going from the Latino to the folk dance, that transition was amazing. I love the way both of you were nimble. Good job, both of you. Great. Thank you very much. As Sandhya said, can we get everybody on video? I would love to see you. If you could put your video on, please. Okay, I have another question for you before I start, and that is everybody comfortable with English? Or do you prefer a combination of English and Tamil?
So we can have a combination of English and Tamil.
Okay, but my Tamil is not up to scratch, okay, like most of you guys. I may make a few mistakes, so especially the young ones, you must forgive me, all right? Sariya? Okay, good. I am from Tamil Nadu, by the way. I am from Chennai, but I grew up outside of Chennai, so I'm not such a great speaker when it comes to that. Okay. The first thing I would like to start with is complimenting the parents who put their children into dance. And that's a combination of creativity and exercise. This is a beautiful thing. So congratulations for putting your children into the dance session, and I heard quite a bit about Raag, so I'm sure you're happy, the kids are happy. It's an amazing thing. All right, so I'm going to talk about what it takes to raise good citizens, right? We're all worried about our children. So let me start my presentation up. Give me just a minute. Can you see my presentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, question for you. You can either unmute and talk about it, or you can actually put it on the chat window. I have no problems either way. So, what worries you most about the future of your child in India or the world? Anything? என்ன எதை பத்தி நீங்க கவலைப்படுறீங்க? உங்க குழந்தையோட வாழ்க்கை எப்படி இருக்க போறீங்க? Social pressure with respect to education. Yeah. Okay. Very valid one, Ramesh. What else? வேற என்ன? எதை பத்தி கவலைப்படுறீங்க நீங்க? நீங்க அன்மியூட் பண்ணி பேசலாம். பிரச்சனையே இல்ல. நான் மட்டும் பேசினா அப்புறம் ஒன் வே டிராபிக் ஆயிடும். Anybody else? எதை பத்தி கவலைப்படுறீங்க?
Want to have a safe and healthy society.
Safe and healthy society. Who's speaking? What's your name, sir?
Ramana, sir.
This is Ramana Balaji.
No, I met
the director of that.
Oh, Ramana.
We met.
Yes, we have.
Yes.
I do remember from the Cognizant times.
Right.
Yeah. Nice to hear your voice again, Ramana.
My pleasure.
Anybody else? கவலையே இல்லையா அப்போ பிரச்சனையே இல்லை. Then we don't have to have this presentation at all.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, RAC கடலூர் front office, sir.
சொல்லுங்க.
சார், குழந்தைங்களோட படிப்பு அவங்களோட பாதுகாப்பு சார்.
படிப்பும் பாதுகாப்பும்.
எஸ் சார்.
சூப்பரா சொன்னீங்க. எஜுகேஷன் அண்ட் சேஃப்டி, படிப்பு பாதுகாப்பு தானே?
எஸ் சார்.
சூப்பர். சோ வளர்ந்து அவன் பெரியவாளானா பாதுகாப்பு இருக்காது அப்படின்றீங்களா?
எஸ் சார். இப்ப பாதுகாப்பு இல்லைங்க சார். மோஸ்ட்லி பாதுகாப்பு இல்லைங்க சார்.
கரெக்ட் தான்.
எஸ் சார்.
சரி, அப்போ ஒண்ணு பண்ணலாம். சூப்பர், வெரி வெல் செட். உங்க பேர் என்ன?
வாணி ஜோதி சார், ரேக் கடலூர் சார்.
வாணி ஜோதி,
ரேக் கடலூர் front office சார்.
சூப்பர், தேங்க்யூ வாணி.
தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ சார்.
சூப்பரா சொன்னீங்க. மனசுல ஒரு வரி இருக்கு, குழந்தைகள்லாம் பெரியவாளாகி ஏதாவது அச்சீவ் பண்ணுவாளா இல்லையா அப்படின்னு. அதனால சரி ஒண்ணு பண்ணலாம். Let's listen to a little boy sing about his fears. Who loves songs? Anyone who loves songs? Yeah, I can see Aradhana, I can see Sandhya raising her hands. Anybody else? Oh, Ashmita said you want to be a good human being, individual, a person of character, integrity, and role in society. Thank you, Ashmita. Very nice. Good. So let's do that. Okay. Give me a moment and we will have something for you. And in the song, careful kelunga. Listen to this. was that? So it's,
A beautiful song.
it is a beautiful song, isn't it? It's powerful, Amma. And நம்ம மனசுல இருக்கிற கேள்வி எல்லாம் கேட்கிறான் அது சின்ன பையன். By the way, his name is Declan Galbraith. இந்த பாட்டு நீங்க கேட்கணும் அப்படின்னா it was why அப்படின்னு இந்த பாட்டு வந்து 2002ல ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ண பாட்டு. I think he was about 10 years old. ஆனா அதுல இருந்து என்ன பிரச்சனை வருது? I mean, lot of things that he sings about is valid even now. Leah, yes or no? Yeah, absolutely. So, thank you, Ashmita. Thank you, Sandhya. So, Ramana. So, ningala konjo if you try and work with me here, that will be good. ஏன்னா நான் மட்டும் பேசினா என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கிட்ட எனக்கே போர் அடிக்குது. So you have to help me out here. Can you do that?
Sure. We'll unmute and talk to you.
Absolutely. I would love that. Please. நீங்க வந்து அந்த இன்டராக்ஷன் இருந்தா தான் வந்து ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கா இருக்கும், இல்லைன்னா நம்ம தூக்கி போயிடுவோம். குட் அபினவ், கரெக்டா சொன்னேன், எஸ் அப்படின்னு. I like that. So he talks about the forest burning, the tigers running, people shooting. So isn't nature beautiful? Isn't nature beautiful? How many of you love nature?
I love nature.
Excellent.
I love nature.
Oh, you do? Okay. Who is that?
That was Abhinav.
Oh, Abhinav. Fantastic. Very good.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So now what is happening to nature? So this is a time, because of COVID, the air became clear. On the right side, you can see from Jalandhar in Punjab, you can see the Himalayas. Previously, you could never see it. On the left-hand side of the bottom is the Ganga River, which is now clear. So, we've been working to create these problems. Do we want this to be the future? By the way, on the left-hand side top, that's in Chennai. On the right-hand side, that's deer. Left-hand side, the bottom is called the big traffic trash, and that's 300 miles long in the Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean la 300 mile அது எல்லாம் குப்பை. ரைட் சைடு கீழே வந்து நீங்க பள்ளிக்கரணை மார்ஷ்லாம் பாக்குறீங்க. இதை நிறுத்தணும், கம்மியாக்கணும்னா என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? What can we do? Is there anything we can do? And yes, Ashmita, we should respect nature. Very nicely said. Otherwise,
trash should go to the trash cans.
Fantastic. Trash should go to the trash can. Who was that? Sandhya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. So, whenever I drive, sometimes I notice நிறைய பேர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, super car, BMW carல வந்து they roll down the window and throw their trash out of the window. அதுல ரெண்டு பிரச்சனை இருக்கு. பிரச்சனை நம்பர் 1, நம்ம சிட்டி வந்து டர்ட்டியா இருக்கு. சிட்டியா டர்ட்டியா இருந்தா வந்து நல்லா இருக்குமா? ரெண்டாவது, அது யார் கிளீன் பண்றா? கிளீன் பண்றாங்க கார்பரேஷன் ஒர்க்கர்ஸ். அவளுக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வேலை இல்லையா? So when you go to the Western countries, we are all taught to pick up our own trash. So என்ன பண்றோம்? வெளியில போனா ஒரு பேப்பர் கூட கீழே போடக்கூடாது. Avoid using plastics. Fantastic. கலக்கிற பானி. Dance மட்டும் பண்றது இல்ல. You're coming up with some great ideas. Correct. Avoid using plastics. Bring it down. Use bags. But when you go out, do not throw trash on the roads. ஒரு பேப்பர் கூட, ஒரு டாஃபி சாப்பிட்டுட்டு பேப்பர் இருந்தா பாக்கெட்ல எடுத்து வந்து வீட்டுல வந்து போடணும். What else can we do? Avoid plastics. Very good. Don't throw trash on the roads. மூணாவது இது. Anything else that we can do to reduce trash, reduce garbage, save nature? Anything? Parents? நீங்க நிறைய பேர் இருக்கீங்க. அன்மியூட் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க. Planting trees, reduce, reuse, recycle. Ramesh, very good. Recycle. Excellent.
Battery cars.
என்னங்க? Sorry.
Battery cars, battery bikes.
Battery cars. So battery cars,
Electric vehicles.
Yeah, if we can get that, that is great. Reduce the pollution. இப்போ நம்ம வந்து as parents நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? ஒன்னு வந்து reduce trash, reuse, recycle. Try to minimize plastics. மூணாவது, வெளியில எங்க போனாலும் if you have trash, பாக்கெட்ல போட்டுங்க. Don't throw it on the street. ஏன்னா இந்த மாதிரி வந்து மாடு வந்து சாப்பிடும். மாடு வந்து trash சாப்பிட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? There'll be a slight problem. Let's stomachache for the maadu. Right? So we got to take care of nature. If we don't take care of nature, what happens?
Nature will not take care of us.
Nature will take care of us, not in the way we see want.
Exactly.
2015 ல வந்து இது இருந்ததுல floods அந்த மாதிரி வரும். Okay? So take care of nature. It's very important that we do that. So while we are talking about taking care of nature, and this is what we can show that we can do for our children. So here's a question I have in that context. When will we actually represent our country in the best light to the world? நம்மளோட வந்து இந்தியாவை வந்து எப்போ பாராட்டுவோம்? When we feel, what is the feeling we need to have?
When the integrity is more among everybody.
Integrity is more. So how will we feel then?
Proud.
Proud. We need to feel proud of our country to talk about that, and integrity is one of them. Ramana, well said. But நம்மளுக்கு வந்து pride இருந்தாதான் நம்ம இந்தியா பத்தி வெளியூர்ல வந்து பெருமையா பேசிக்கலாம். And the pride இருந்தாதான் we will take care of taking things that are happening in India. Right? So what can we be proud of? So tell me something about India's culture that we can be proud of. ஒண்ணுமே இல்லையா?
Generally we are humble.
Okay.
Virundombal.
Okay, we are very humble. Being an Indian. Yes. Very good, Abhinav. Being an Indian.
Yes.
So what is that? Being an Indian. I like his confidence.
We had excellent civilizations.
We had excellent civilizations. Fantastic. Who said that?
Ganesh.
Ganesh, good job. And which civilization do you know?
I think it's the Harappan civilization.
Harappan. Okay. Very good. Any other?
And the Indus Valley civilization.
And an Indus Valley civilization. Very good. Do you know? Yeah. Yes.
And the Mesopotamian civilization.
Mesopotamia was a little far from here, but it's okay. But I'm glad you know your history. But Indian civilization. Have you heard of the Ahom dynasty?
Not yet.
Okay, so look it up. Ahom. It is one of the biggest empires on the eastern side of India, Assam.
Okay.
Then there was a Gupta dynasty, the Maurya dynasty, Chandragupta Maurya. Have you heard of Chanakya?
Yeah.
Have you heard of the Cholas?
Yeah.
We have so many dynasties, right? But one of the biggest things that we need to keep in mind, and this is what Albert Einstein said. He said, we owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count. And nobody tells us that in our classes, right? Without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made. Yes, Ramana, you're going to say something.
Yeah, of course, Ramanujam. No?
Ramanujam. Absolutely. Now we go back in history. Now what he is saying is, we didn't know how to count, but we were taught by Indians. So the Indians taught this to the Arabs, and the Arabs took it to the Western world. So the concept of zeros, if zero on the zero na onnu illannu yosikrom. Ana zero illana nammaloda vandu math irundirukadhu. And the zero oda concept India la irundha pochu. But you will see no history book telling you that. So the ability for us to package our culture and be proud of it is very important. So that we can talk about what beautiful things we have. I can talk about, how many of you have heard about a musician called Tansen? Anybody?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did he do? Very good. What did he do?
He was a singer in Akbar's court.
Okay, superb. Tell me more.
I think he was the one who caused rain, right?
He was the one who caused rain first in. But what happened first? Why did he cause rain?
This particular rag that he sang in, oh God.
And what rag did he sing?
It's just escaping me now.
Very good.
Yeah.
No, he sang a rag. So he was challenged. So Tansen, you're very right. Who said, who's a person?
Sandhya.
Sandhya. So Sandhya, there's another person who said Tansen was in Akbar's court. That little kid.
A kid, yeah.
Who was that?
So Aditya Balaji.
Aditya Balaji. Fantastic, Aditya. You're absolutely right. Tansen was a singer in Akbar's court, and there were other musicians who were very jealous of him. So என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னா, அக்பர் நீங்க ஒன்னு பண்ணுங்க, அவர் வந்து பாட வைங்க, he can light the lamps in the court அப்படினாங்க. Yes, he can light the lamps in the court அப்படினாங்க. Tansen வந்து பிரச்சனையா எடுத்து பண்ண முடியும். When you sing that rag, he can light the lamps, but his body will go on fire because he's causing so much heat. So what he did was, now there is a dispute here. People don't know whether it is wife or daughter who sang it. One of them sang it. He said, when I sing that rag, I want the other person to sing Rag Malhar. You're right, Sandhya. And that Megh Malhar, which means clouds will form and it will rain. Mala peyum. And that's, now some people will turn on and say, Nijamava. Summa kada udrenga. This is there in history. It's been a recorded fact that he sang, the diyas came on, and Megh Malhar was sung, and it rained. Adi eppadi paadina vandrum? It's physics. Have you ever seen soldiers march on a bridge in formation? Anybody? Have you ever seen soldiers march on a bridge? This is a trick question. If you know physics.
I don't think they march on the bridge because the vibration might break the bridge.
Fantastic.
No?
Fantastic, Ramana. That's absolutely right. When they march together on the bridge, அவ்வளோ பேர் மார்ச் பண்றதுல என்ன ஆகும், வைப்ரேஷன்ல வந்து பெருசு 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 பெருசா ஆகி பிரிட்ஜ் கொலாப்ஸ் ஆயிடும். ஸோ பிரிட்ஜ் மேல நடந்து போச்சு அவன் வந்து ஃபார்மேஷன் வந்து பிரேக் பண்ணி தான் நடந்து போவாங்க. தட் இஸ் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் வைப்ரேஷன். அதே வைப்ரேஷன்லாம் மியூசிக்ல இருக்கு. நீங்க எல்லாம் மியூசிக் டான்ஸ்ல இருக்கீங்க, உங்களுக்கு அதை பத்தி யூ நோ பெட்டர் தென் மீ. என்னால கையை காலை ஆட்ட முடியாது, நீங்க தான் ஆட்டுவீங்க. So you guys are better. But that is the kind of culture we have. We have to be proud of our culture. Ninga vande, if there is time at the end of the talk, if you ask me why are there temples, why is Vinayakar known as a god of good beginnings, I'll be happy to tell you the science behind it. Ana adukku neenga kelvi kekkanum. Ninga kelvi ketta dhaan badal varum. So how do we do this? Parents, நீங்க வந்து உங்க பசங்களோட சேர்ந்து இந்த கதையெல்லாம் சொல்லுங்க. Get them to read history. This is a role that you can play. நம்மளோட கல்ச்சர் வந்து தெரிஞ்சுனா ஒரு pride வரும். அந்த pride வந்தா இந்தியனா pride வந்து காமிச்சு we can achieve a lot of things. பாஸ்ட்ல நம்ம அச்சீவ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அதுக்காக பாஸ்ட்லயே இருக்க சொல்லல. Remember the past to drive the future. Right? அந்த ஐன்ஸ்டைனே சொல்லிருக்காரு. அப்போ சரி, இவ ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் வந்து லிங்க் என்ன? Can anybody? On the left is a person called Kowalski. On the right is a person called Joseph Carpio. ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் லிங்க் என்ன? Anyone? Okay, so let me tell you what the link is. Okay. Joseph Carpio is known as the father of rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty na வந்து is the forerunner of plastic surgery. மூக்குல வந்து plastic surgery பண்றது. ஆனா அது எங்க இருந்து வந்தது? Around 1790 when Tipu Sultan was fighting against the East India Company, அதுல வந்து கோவாஸ்டின்னு ஒரு பார்சி வந்து bullock cart driver இருந்தார். அவனை கேப்சர் பண்ணாங்க. He was working for the British. அந்த பனிஷ்மெண்ட்டுக்காக மூக்க அறுத்து வீட்டுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சாங்க. He sent them back to the British. அந்த மூக்க அறுத்ததுல யாராலையும் ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியல. சோ ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த சர் சார்ல்ஸ் வந்து இருந்தாரு, இந்த பேஷ்வா மராட்டா வந்து கோர்ட்ல. He met a merchant. அந்த மர்ச்சன்ட் மூக்குல வந்து ஒரு ஸ்கார் இருந்தது. எப்படி அந்த ஸ்கார் வந்தது அப்படின்னு கேட்டாரு. சரி, இல்ல, ஐ வாஸ் அரெஸ்டட் ஃபார் அடல்ட்ரி. அந்த டைம்ல அடல்ட்ரின்னா வந்து ஒரு கிரைம். மூக்க வந்து கட் பண்ணி விட்டார். ஆனா அந்த மூக்க வந்து using the skin from the forehead, it was reconstructed by a potter. அதை பார்த்து அவ வந்து ஆடி போயிட்டான். So they called the potter and said, do this for Kowalski. So அந்த potter வந்து கோவஸ்டிக்கு அந்த reconstruct பண்ணான் அந்த nose. And he was using techniques which were written down by Sushruta 2000 years ago. இத வந்து பார்த்தது வந்து one of the people was Joseph Carpio. Joseph Carpio இத எடுத்து வந்து பிரிட்டன்ல போய் he did the first rhinoplasty and he became known as the father of plastic surgery. ஆனா இதுக்கு பின்னால இருந்தது அந்த பாட்டர் போட்டோவும் இல்ல, பேரும் இல்ல, புகழும் இல்லை. Because at that time the British did not want the natives to be named. So இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய instances இருக்கு. And this is what we can learn, that we have a fantastic past which we can use for the future. Okay. But then, is it okay? Is it enough to talk about Indian culture? நம்ம வந்து இந்த வேர்ல்ட் உலகத்துல வந்து நம்ம சக்சீட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா knowing Indian culture may not be enough. Because the way we think, we have been brought up to think in a particular way, but not everybody thinks the same way. So for example, in the instance on the Sweden Lodge, one of the professionals had gone to meet the Volvo management. Volvo car irukku illaya, அது வந்து ஸ்வீடன்ல இருக்கு. வால்வோ ஆபீஸ் போனாங்க, ஒரு 7 மணிக்கு கிளம்பிட்டாங்க. 7 மணிக்கு வந்து பார்க்கிங்ல வந்து காலியா இருக்கு. பெரிய பார்க்கிங் லாட், ஹியூஜ் பார்க்கிங் லாட். அந்த கார்னர்ல பார்க் பண்ணா வந்து டோருக்கு வரதுக்கு பஸ்ஸே எடுக்கணும், இல்ல சைக்கிள் எடுக்கணும் வரணும். அந்த அவ்வளவு பெரிய வந்து பார்க்கிங் லாட். ஸோ இந்தியன் வந்து போனது வந்து வால்வோட எம்ப்ளாயி ஒரு ஏர்போர்ட்ல அழைச்சிட்டு வந்திருக்காரு. வந்த உடனே இப்போ யோசிச்சுப்பாங்க, இவ்வளவு பெரிய பார்க்கிங் லாட், ஃப்ரண்ட் டோருக்கு நடக்கணும்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? எங்க பார்க் பண்ணுவோம்? Where will we park?
The one where it is very, very close to the building, where we need to go.
Correct. இவர் என்ன பண்ணாரு, நேர போய் கடைசியில போய் பார்க் பண்ணிட்டார். So Indian was puzzled. Hello, we came early. இது வந்து பக்கத்துலயே பார்க் பண்ணிருக்கலாமே, ஏன் அங்க போய் பார்க் பண்ணீங்க? அவர் சொன்னார், நம்மளாம் சீக்கிரம் வந்துட்டோம், அதனால நம்மளுக்கு டைம் இருக்கு நடந்து போறதுக்கு. கொஞ்சம் பேர் அப்புறம் லேட்டா வருவாங்க, அவங்க வந்து வரச்சா அவளுக்கு அங்க பார்க்கிங் இருந்தாக்கா அவளுக்கு ஆபீஸ் வரதுக்கு லேட் ஆயிடும். அதனால கிட்ட இருக்கிற பார்க்கிங் லாட் அவங்களுக்கு விட்டுடலாம், நம்ம வந்து சீக்கிரம் வந்ததுனால தூரம். So this is a complete reverse. Thinking is completely the reverse. நம்ம வந்து we feel terrible if we are asked to say no to somebody. யூகேல வந்து போய் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கச்சா இந்த மாதிரி தான் பிரச்சனை வந்தது. They said, the clients expected no அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, ஆனா நம்மள நோவே சொல்ல மாட்டோமே. சோ கிளைண்ட் எங்க கூப்பிட்டாங்க, எனக்கு இந்த பையனோட எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிரச்சனையா இருக்கு, என்ன பிரச்சனை இருக்குன்னா அவன் நோ சொல்ல மாட்டேன்றான், நான் எது சொன்னாலும் நோ சொல்ல மாட்டேன்றான் அப்படின்னு. அது என்னப்பா பெரிய பிரச்சனை? இல்ல ஐ வாண்ட் த ட்ரூத். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து சரி 2 நாளுக்கு அப்புறம் கூப்பிட்டு சொன்னாரு, என்ன நான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டேன் என்ன அப்படின்னு. நான் ஏதாவது சொல்லி இந்த பையனுக்கு பிடிக்கலன்னா அவன் தலையை தொங்க வைப்பான், தலையை தொங்கினா அவன் பிடிக்கலன்னு அர்த்தம் அப்படின்னு வந்து கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டாரு. ஆனா அதை எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்றாங்க அவங்க, நம்ம நோன்னு சொல்லுவோம், நம்மளுக்கு வந்து நோ சொல்லி பழக்கமே கிடையாது. நோன்னு சொன்னா வந்து கெட் அஃபெண்டட், என்கிட்டயா நோ சொன்னேன் அப்படின்னு. So there are global differences in the way people think. So பிரான்ஸ்ல வந்து ஒன் ஆஃப் மை கலீக்ஸ், இது வந்து குளோபல் டிஃபரன்ஸ் சொல்லணும். பிரான்ஸ்ல ஒரு ஏரியாவுக்கு இன்னொரு ஏரியாவுக்கு இருக்கிற டிஃபரன்ஸ் இது. பாரிஸ்ல இருந்து மார்சேன்னு ஒரு இடத்துக்கு போயிருந்தார், டின்னருக்கு போனாரு. டின்னர் எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டா ஒரு 2 மணி நேரம் ஆச்சு. பிரான்ஸ்ல எனிவே மெதுவா தான் சாப்பிடுவா. சோ இது அதுக்கு மேல மெதுவா மார்சேல சாப்பிட்டு முடிச்சா அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து அவர் வந்து ஓனர் வந்து கேட்டார், ஹவ் வாஸ் த டின்னர்? It was very good. The food was very good. The ambience, the setting எல்லாம் ரொம்ப சூப்பரா இருந்தது. ஆனா சாப்பாடு கொஞ்சம் டைம் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா. I think you have to do something about it. அந்த மாதிரி ஃபீட்பேக் கொடுத்தா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? சப்போஸ் we are in the restaurant owner அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? What is expected?
We'll ensure it doesn't happen again.
கரெக்ட், அப்படிதான் சொல்லுவோம். அவர் என்ன சொன்னாரு, சரி நாள்ல இருந்து வேற ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் எல்லாம் இருக்கு, அங்க போயிட்டு வாங்க. This is all I can do. வேணும்னா சாப்பிடு, இல்லைன்னா அங்க போயிட்டு வாங்க. So there are different ways of thinking, and நம்ம வந்து our children need to be aware that what we see today, நம்மளோட இந்த லைஃப் வந்து அங்க இருக்காது. And by exposing them to books, by exposing them to a lot of knowledge, they can start getting to know what the different cultures are. அவ சக்சஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா மிச்சோட புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். That's the cultural opening of the minds is very important. Do you agree? So as we come to that, we come into the concept of culture. How important do you think communication is? Thank you, Ramesh. For your child, between your child and you, with people in your child's environment. How important is it?
I think it's the number one priority, and it's extremely important to have a clear communication channel between.
Yes. True. The clear communication channel on number terms liya, our terms liya and papa. So the ability to keep an open mind. So குழந்தை வந்து sometimes ஏன்பா இந்த மாதிரி நடக்கிறது, இதனாலப்பா. So இது ஏன்பா நடக்கிறது, இதுனால. இது ஏன்பா தாண்ட வாங்காதே உள்ள போ அப்படினோம். So the ability to keep them engaged is very, very important. And one ரெண்டாவது வந்து கம்யூனிகேஷன் தான். நம்ம எல்லாம் என்ன நினைச்சோம், இங்கிலீஷ் தமிழ் அப்படின்னு. ஆனா if we see the world around us, it's not just language, it's how we take it and package it. எப்படி பேக்கேஜ் பண்ணி பேசணும் அது பொறுத்து இருக்கு. So just because I know English, it does not mean that I can communicate. Communication is the ability to take something, package it, and give it to people. Lot of us interact with our teachers. How many of you have fought with the teachers for marks? I mean, parents, for children's marks. யாராவது சண்டை போட்டிருக்கீங்களா? போய் பேசியிருக்கீங்களா? பேசினதே இல்லையா சார்? தலையாட்டுற. வெரி குட் சார்.
But he has a silent smile, so I think he's guilty of something.
No. He shook his head. He shook his head. This is Abhinav's father, right?
Yeah.
He shook his head. So I believe him. அவர் வந்து இல்ல அப்படின்னா. For those who go and fight for the marks, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம இருக்கோம் நம்ம பசங்களுக்காக. ஒரு 2 மார்க் 3 மார்க் அப்படின்னு. நாளைக்கு நம்ம இருக்க மாட்டோம் வாழ்க்கையில. Yes, the world is unfair. And I think children have to learn that sometimes the world will be unfair. Or sometimes that is what you get. You have to live with it. And நம்ம தான் பேரண்ட்ஸா வந்து we can either make it or break it. இன்னைக்கு every time நம்ம போய் ஒரு 2 மார்க் 1 மார்க் அப்படின்னா this is my birthright. Swarajya is my birthright. Lokmanya Gangadhar Tilak சொன்ன மாதிரி marks are my birthright அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. And one day when we are not there, they will see that that birthright is not there. They will suffer. இன்னைக்கு it is okay. ஏன்னா 2 மார்க்கா 3 மார்க்கா போர்டு எக்ஸாம்ல பாத்துக்கலாம். Let them deal with it. That's okay. அதுக்கா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வரணும்னு இல்ல, எல்லாத்துலயும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வரணும்னு இல்ல. இப்போ நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்கா வாழ்க்கையில வந்து எல்லா CEOs பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்கா not everybody is gold medal topper. Children become brilliant in different ways. School is only a baseline in education foundation, starting point. அதுல இருந்து அவ வந்து they will go fantastically. They will grow. ஆனா நம்ம அந்த ஃபவுண்டேஷன் கொடுக்கணும். இந்த மாதிரி உலகம் வந்து இப்படி இருக்கு. That is okay. That's fine. நான் வந்து ஸ்கூல்ல இருக்கேன், எங்க அம்மா அப்பா வந்து ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணது இல்ல, ஸ்கூலுக்கே வந்தது இல்ல. 2-3 வாட்டி அடியும் வாங்கியிருக்கேன், பயங்கரமா அடி வாங்கியிருப்பேன். வீட்டுக்கு போய் சொல்ல நான் அடி வாங்கினேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேள்வி நீ என்ன பண்ண அப்படின்னு. அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் வந்து பதிலே இல்லை. So sometimes we have to harden our heart. Our heart will feel like, ஐயோ பசங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி நடக்கிறது இல்ல. Our objective is to let them realize that this is the world. It's okay. And keep your communication lines open with your child. Sorry?
No, that was accidental, so you can continue.
Oh, that's okay. We should be approachable, correct? Ramesh, well said. Absolutely. We should be approachable. And sometimes, you know, what happens in our quest for a job, we lose sight of that. Naane panirken. That in my job, I got so busy with it that I lost track of the fact that my child is at home, needs me. And in that time, thirupi varadu. and we play an important part in a children's growth. So life can be unfair சொல்றதுக்கு எல்லாரும் சில்வஸ்டர் ஸ்டாலன் மாதிரி கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? ஓகே குட். அவரோட ஒரு இது இருக்கு, ஒரு டயலாக் இருக்கு. ஏன்னா ஒரே பிரச்சனை சில்வஸ்டர் ஸ்டாலனோட அப்படின்னா அவர் பேசுறது அவருக்கே புரியாது. ஆனா சரி, நான் ப்ளே பண்றேன், உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சுன்னா I can explain if you don't understand. So give me a moment and I will play his video for you. It's a very short video.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is going to hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you got to be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you want to be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that. I'm always going to love you no matter what. No matter what happens. You're my son, you're my blood. You're the best thing in my life. But until you start believing in yourself, you ain't gonna have a life.
What did you get out of this?
Yes. He's just talking about the world, how difficult, how hard. Talks about nature, rainbows, these things, and you are my son, you are my blood. So the best thing in his life is son. Yeah. So you have to face the world.
Yeah, that's true. So people who may not have actually heard that completely or புரியல அப்படின்னா அதான் சொல்றாங்க, இந்த உலகம் ரொம்ப அன்ஃபேரா இருக்கு. நீங்க சான்ஸ் கொடுத்தனாக்கா அடி பின்னி எடுத்துரும். It will hit you. நிறைய வாட்டி ஃபெயில் பண்ணுவோம், ஆனா you'll get up. You have to get up. 2 வாட்டி அடிக்கும், 3வது வாட்டி ஏன் திருப்பி ஃபைட் பண்ணு. தன்னம்பிக்கை இருக்கணும். தன்னம்பிக்கை இருந்தாதான் இந்த உலகத்துல நம்ம we can survive. The world is not rosy. The world is not perfect. அந்த ஃபைட்டிங் ஸ்பிரிட் இருந்தாதான் நல்லா இருக்கும். இல்லைன்னா இந்த மாதிரி நான் ஏன் தோத்தனுக்கா அவனால தோத்தேன் இவனால தோத்தேன்னு கை பாயிண்ட் பண்ணி சொன்னா அது ரியல் பீப்புள் சொல்றது இல்லை, அதை கவர்ட் சொல்றது அப்படின்றாரு. சோ இந்த தாட் ப்ராசஸ் நம்ம we need as parents, we have to keep reinforcing for children that it's okay. Sometimes life will be like that. ஒரு 10 மார்க் கம்மியா இருக்கும். இதனாலதான் lot of children get into depression, get into problems when they go into IIT. இதெல்லாம் sometimes extreme steps எடுக்கறாங்க. அதை prevent பண்ணி நம்ம அவளை சக்சஸ்ஃபுல் ஆக்குறது நம்மளோட கையில இருக்கு. To give them that courage to fight that battle is in our hands. What happens today is forgotten 2 years later. It's okay. அது 32 பாயிண்ட் இருக்கலாம். சொல்றது ஈஸியா இருக்கு, பண்றது கஷ்டம். But then it's got to be done. You really want to help your child, it's got to be done. So it's important to understand that life can be unfair, right? And so when we go into that, into life can be unfair, what does this tell you?
I think here it kind of shows us, as parents, we can either show them the easy way out or the right way,
Fantastic. So yes. நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், நிறைய பேர் வந்து இப்ப ரோட்ல பார்த்துருக்கோம். சம்டைம்ஸ் பியர் ப்ரெஷர், சம்டைம்ஸ் நம்ம எங்கேயாவது வந்து சீக்கிரம் போயிட்டு இருக்கோம், இவ்வளவு தூரம் தானே ராங் சைட்ல போயிடலாம், ஆர் ரெட் லைட் யாரும் இல்ல, இட்ஸ் ஓகே, there's nobody on the road, what is the big problem, let's just cut across. Or I'm in a hurry, நான் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் போறேன், பிரேக் லைன் பிரேக் பண்ணி போறது. பட் இதெல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறது நம்ம பசங்க பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. Our children, I have seen people with their child seated in front motorcycle வந்து red light break பண்றோம். Why is it a problem? It's not a problem because we are breaking the red light once, twice, thrice. என்ன ஆறுது? It becomes habit. ஒரு நாள் தப்பான டைம் அவன் அந்த ரெட் லைட் பிரேக் பண்ணுவாங்க. And then there will be problems. Lawful ஏதாவது பண்றது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான விஷயம். This is something, this is what came right in the beginning. Integrity அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்களா, இதுதான். Integrity is what we do when nobody is looking. கரெக்ட் பண்றோமா? Do you have the empathy? நம்ம ரெட் லைட் ஜம்ப் பண்றோம், ஆனா அந்த பெடஸ்ட்ரியன் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு கிராஸ் பண்றதுக்கு. What if he had started crossing? We would have hit him. Okay, we don't have any children. We are still driving. Fine. But there are children on the road who are watching. நம்ம அந்த செல்ஃப் டிசிப்ளின் காமிச்சாதான் பசங்கள்லாம் வந்து கத்துவாங்க. ஸோ பசங்களா நல்லா வச்சுக்கோங்க, no jumping red light, no driving on the wrong side of the road, no jumping the queue. A person's character is very important. Character which தான் நம்பிக்கையே வரும் வாழ்க்கையில. And நம்போ, as parents, this is something we have control over. More than once I've seen this happen. நீங்க UK, US எல்லாம் போனா அங்க ஆக்சுவலி பெடஸ்ட்ரியன்ஸ்க்காக நிறுத்திடுவாங்க. பிரான்ஸ்ல பிரச்சனை இல்லை, யாருக்கும் நிறுத்த மாட்டாங்க, அடிச்சுட்டே போயிடுவாங்க. So the different countries are different, but the immediate thing is, can I trust you? Will you do the right thing? If it is possible, yes, then then I will give you a contract. ஆனா பார்க்காம இருக்க தப்பு பண்ணா that will start hitting the character. So the character build பண்றது குழந்தைக்காக நம்ம parents வந்து we have a big job to do. Always do the right thing. இப்போ வந்து my parents were like this. They made sure that I did everything the right way. என்னோட wife வந்து comes from an ISRO family, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Her father was the director of the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. He was one of the pioneers of Indian rocketry. So PSLV, GSLV எல்லாம் வந்து அவர் he was one of the people who designed it, working with Dr. Abdul Kalam. இப்போ அவரோட டைரக்டர் இருக்கச்ச வந்து ஆஃபீஸ்ல எல்லாம் வந்து கார் கொடுப்பாங்க. You will have access to copier machine, Xerox. ஸோ இங்க என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, என்ன கொஞ்சம் வந்து அங்கே ஸ்கூல்ல ட்ராப் பண்ணிடுறீங்களா, இல்லைன்னா வந்து இந்த பேப்பர் வந்து ஒரு பேஜ் கொஞ்சம் ஜெராக்ஸ் பண்ணோம், ஆஃபீஸ்ல வந்து ஜெராக்ஸ் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறீங்களா. அவர் வந்து ரொம்ப கிளியர், ஆஃபீஸ் கொடுக்கறத வந்து காரு ஜெராக்ஸ் காப்பி எல்லாம் ஆஃபீஸ்க்காக தான். திஸ் இஸ் நாட் ஃபார் பர்சனல் யூஸ். உங்களுக்கு 2 கால் வந்து இருக்கு, நேர நடந்து 10 நிமிஷம் அங்க வந்து கடை இருக்கு, போய் நடந்து எடுத்துருவாங்க. And that is how he built character. Now his son, that is my brother-in-law, and my wife are imparting that same education to their children. ஒத்துர ஆரம்பிச்சது வந்து இப்ப 8 பேருக்கு போயிருக்கு. So imagine நம்ம ஒத்துர ஆரம்பிச்சோம் அப்படின்னா எப்படி வந்து ஒரு டாமினோ எஃபெக்ட் மாதிரி ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகும். நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்னு தான் பார்க்கணும். அண்ட் நம்ம வந்து lot of us are born with a lot of advantages. நிறைய வாட்டி இது வந்து நம்ம சொல்றது இல்ல. So let us see what kind of advantages we are born with in a small experiment that was done. And this is basically just give you, yeah. This is basically an experiment that was done to talk about self-respect and respecting other people. A security guard or or the richest man. Learn to give them respect. Give respect to get respect. Okay. We all think we take life for granted. That, hey, this is my birthright. This is what is due to me. But let us see what happens in this video.
Hey, line up! Line up! Everybody line up! We're about to race! Everybody line up! Shoulder to shoulder! Take off your backpacks! Basketball, line up! We're about to race! Hey, we are racing for a $100 bill. The winner of this race will take this. A $100 bill. Before I say go, I'm going to make a couple statements. If those statements apply to you, I want you to take 2 steps forward.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So for those of you who are watching, இந்த $100 பில்லுக்காக ரேஸ் பண்றாங்க. ரேஸ் ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுனால ஒரு கேள்வி எல்லாம் கேட்க போறாரு. அந்த கேள்வி கேட்டு எஸ் அப்படின்னா 2 ஸ்டெப் மினால் எடுக்க சொல்றாரு. Let's look at the questions.
Those statements don't apply to you. I want you to stay right where you're at. Take 2 steps forward if both of your parents are still married.
2 step forward. எப்போ எடுக்கணும்? when if both your parents are married. So ஒண்ணா இருக்காங்க parents. நார்மலா இந்தியால வந்து பிரச்சனை இருக்க கூடாது, பட்
Take 2 steps forward if you grew up with a father figure in the home.
வீட்ல வந்து ஒரு father figure இருந்தா 2 ஸ்டெப் எடுங்க.
Take 2 steps forward if you had access to a private education.
Take 2 steps forward if you had access to education, private education. Private school எல்லாம் வந்து பயங்கரமா வந்து காஸ்ட்லியா இருக்கும்.
Take 2 steps forward if you had access to a free tutor growing up.
Tuition இருந்தா 2 ஸ்டெப் எடுங்க. Tuition வந்து பணம் தேவைப்படும்.
Take 2 steps forward if you've never had to worry about your cell phone being shut off.
2 steps forward if cell phone வந்து shut off ஆகிறதுக்கு இதுவா இல்லைன்னா.
Take 2 steps forward if you've never had to help mom or dad with the bills.
Take 2 steps forward if you don't have to help mom and dad with the bills. அதனால நீங்க வேலை பண்ண தேவை இல்லை அப்படின்னு.
Take 2 steps forward if it wasn't because of your athletic ability, you don't have to pay for college. Take 2 steps forward if you never wondered where your next meal was going to come from.
So 2 இது சொன்னாங்க. ஒன்னு வந்து ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் கிடைச்சதா இல்லையா, 2 ஸ்டெப் எடுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து அடுத்த வந்து சாப்பாடு எங்கன்னு வருதுன்னு வந்து உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் அப்படின்னா take 2 steps forward.
I want you guys up here in the front just to turn around and look. Every statement I've made has nothing to do with anything any of you have done. Has nothing to do with decisions you've made. Everything I have said has nothing to do with what you've done. We all know these people up here have a better opportunity to win this $100. Does that mean these people back here can't race? No. We would be foolish to not realize we've been given more opportunity. We don't want to recognize that we've been given a head start. But the reality is we have. Now, there's no excuse. They still got to run their race. You still got to run your race. But whoever wins this $100, I think it'd be extremely foolish of you not to utilize that and learn more about somebody else's story. Because the reality is, if this was a fair race and everybody was back on that line, I guarantee you some of these black dudes would smoke all of you. And it's only because you have this big of a head start that you're possibly going to win this race called life. That is a picture of life, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing you've done has put you in the lead that you're in right now. When I say go, on your mark, get set, go! Hey, line up! Line up, everybody!
So, it's very clear. So he says, நீங்க வந்து இப்போ இருக்க நான் கேட்ட கேள்விலாம் நீங்க பண்ணதுனால ஒன்னும் நீங்க முன்னால வரல. ஆனா வாழ்க்கை உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஹெட் ஸ்டார்ட் கொடுத்துருக்கு அவளோட. ஆனா அந்த ரேஸ் ஓடினா அவ ஜெயிக்கிறதுக்கு வந்து நிறைய சான்ஸ் இருக்கு because they have more hunger. The world is different. The world is unfair. Some of us have a head start. அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம வந்து வின் பண்றதுக்கு இது பண்ணணும், முயற்சி பண்ணணும். But we need to realize that we have a head start. So I'll take a couple of minutes to move. So நீங்கலாம் இத பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. Make sure that your children are healthy, that they are taking care of physical, mental, sleep, எல்லாம். That is the conditioning is very important. I paid a price because of my condition. This is what I was like. In 2008 to 2010, I had a lot of problems because I didn't take care of my health. This is what I am now. But my family was impacted quite a bit. So this is about conditioning. So if you want to talk about what we as parents can do, what did we talk about first? As parents, help conserve the environment. So conserve pati pesnom. If you want a child to be a good citizen, conserve. Rendadu vandu pesnadhu culture. Nammu ooroda culture, veli ooroda culture. Understand that. Empathize. Moonadu vandu pesnadhu vandu communication. Naaladu courage. Anjadu character. ஆறாவது conditioning. ஆனா அதுல வந்து there is a big plus, there is a big condition there, and the condition is that we as parents have to be the person that we want our child to be. The best form of influence is by example. Sandhya started this talk with that. So with that, I am going to stop right here, and thank you all for listening. I hope
thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I think the entire every single word, every single point, every single message that was shared today has been shared so effectively that it's just hit on the head so well. I mean, great. I couldn't. I don't have any words to say. Does the audience any clarifications, any questions for Mr. Sudhir? Any opinions, anything, whatever. Audience, this is your time. You can unmute yourself and raise your clarifications to Mr. Sudhir. Anybody? Do we have anybody from the audience?
Yeah, Badru Ramna here. What is the one thing? It is very difficult to zero it down, but I'm asking you as an expert in this, what do you advise to parents? Take care of this one thing. A lot of factors are there. At least let's start now. Let us take the first step now. Let's do this one thing now. Later, let's look at the other thing. What is that pressing one thing you would recommend to all the parents?
That's a good question. I think everybody has a different perspective. But the one thing that I would really recommend is to work on the character. If the character is, because that is what defines what a person is all about. Character irundha dhaan vandu nambikkiye varum vaalkaila. If everybody, remember, you go to a shop, remember why you go to a particular shop, remember why you work with a particular doctor, because you trust a doctor. you know that that person will do the right thing, or you know you go to the shop because the shopkeeper is very honest. Character is very important. நீங்க character will work பண்ணாலே மிச்சதெல்லாம் வந்து.
Thank you.
Thanks for asking the question, Ramna. That's a very good question.
Do we have anybody else?
Any questions?
Not a question, sir, but something which I just wanted to re-emphasize when you are done with this session. You know, the thing is, like you were talking about saying no. I am working in a corporate, and I really know the importance of saying no to something. You know, if you start acknowledging for everything which is offered to you, and you don't have the courage and that thing to say no, then I believe you're going to suffer a lot. And this is something like which we should all take all the efforts to teach our kids to say no to things which we are supposed to say it. Otherwise we will be in the same kind of parenting which we think that if we say no, it is some big mistake we are committing. So
Brilliant.
that is something. Yeah.
I don't know who's talking. Sorry, what's
this is Punita here, Aradhana's mother.
Okay, ma'am, that's brilliantly said.
Yeah,
absolutely. Every word you said was worth its weight in gold. Yes, you're right. Teaching our kids to say no when it is necessary is an art in itself. Yes, thank you. Thank you for chiming in with your thoughts. Very, very useful.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Anybody else? Any questions?
We have a question in the chat box.
Yes.
The youth of today take to extreme steps when they face failures. What should be the mental conditioning in such a scenario for such people?
So, Ashmita, are you speaking about mental conditioning at that time or leading up to that point? What is it?
Ma'am, you can unmute yourself and
you can unmute and speak.
Okay, she has said both.
Both, okay. So on the second side, when a failure happens, be there for the youth. I think the biggest challenge is when they have nobody to turn to. Today it's a world. See, India as a country succeeded because of family support, and that's been our biggest strength. But for the last few decades, we have slowly moved into what is called nuclear families. Therefore, being there for your child when your child needs you is extremely important. So keeping the communication lines open is very important, so that they call up and say, "I'm facing this problem. What do I do?" And it's not necessary always to say, "No, take the steps. Why did you do it?" They just need somebody to listen to and lend a helping ear. And the meduva we can give them the confidence that it's okay. I mean, these things happen. Walt Disney failed before he became a successful person. The person who wrote Harry Potter, she failed so many times, right, before she became a success with Harry Potter. So, giving them examples and being able to just listen to them, that is the most important thing. To be able to listen to them, keeping the communication lines is very necessary. When it comes to actually being able to handle failure, sports and dance and hobbies play a very important role. That's the first point. And that is because when we indulge in a physical activity, there's something called dopamine which kicks in the brain, and that gives you a feeling of high. It holds you in. It also needs a lot of sunlight. So is not so bad, because there is another hormone called serotonin which comes in. Number Western countries cloudy winter serotonin kammiya irukadhu, a lot of people go through depression. And the depression prachane aidudhu. We in India, especially down south, we have a lot of sunlight. So make sure kids get a lot of sunlight, kids get a lot of exercise. And third, help them understand that you can't win every time. There is no way that can happen. And please do not encourage words which say, every time you first or no. First of all, work towards that. But if they don't get it, okay, they don't get it. Let's go on, move on to the next one. And the pressure irukkiradunala the prachana ella varudhu. This is a very beautiful question. There's so much behind it. I'm so glad you asked about it. So it is a long process, and there is a lot of trust building involved between parents and the children. So I hope that answers your question, but it's a beautiful question. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Do we have any more questions from the audience?
What is that one quality a child or anybody who's listening here, who is going to listen in the future in our YouTube channel, one thing need to improve to be a good communicator? What is that one thing we need to understand, or what is your take on that, to be a good communicator?
Is this a question to me or to the audience?
No, I'm asking you.
Why don't we ask the audience? I would love to hear from people, and I will talk about it. I thought I would let them also. It's a very nice question, really.
Sir, can I?
Please. Who's this?
Punita here, sir. I'm
Yes.
sorry.
No. That's fine. I
This
just
is something like which is all of my interest kind of topics, because I'm also a trainer for 7 Habits of Highly Effective People.
Fantastic.
So,
Stephen Covey.
Yeah, I'm a trainer, facilitator for that. So when we talk about all this, that's something which is very important. I totally missed the question because I was engulfed in this topic which was going on. And sir, Balaji sir, can you just repeat it one more time so that I can put it in a better way?
Yes, ma'am. My question is that communication is very, very important.
Yeah.
So to be a good communicator, thing I need to adapt, or I need to practice so that I can become a great communicator.
So first thing, as a communicator, if you want to communicate for the large crowd or something, what I believe from the sessions which I've taken, or from the trainings which I have undergone, is we need to learn our audience first. The mood, the participants who are all there. From the instance, from the start of the session, we need to best frame our content, not like it should not be a stereotype one. We need to go with the crowd. That's what we say. Like, once we do have a trained content in place, but when we start off the session, we will understand the mood of a crowd. From there we need to adjust, and we need to ensure that if the crowd is like of youth, they would like to have two-way communication a lot. You can't go stereotype to them. You can't present a content to them. They would not love it. So there should be a lot of questionnaires. There should be opportunities which are given them to speak, a lot. And then we have to give them that freedom and space to talk. So they should start believing us first. Then we need to go along with them. So I believe a two-way communication and to understand the crowd would be one of the options which I have seen it successfully when I'm taking through these sessions. So I think Sudhir sir can talk more about it.
Very interesting, ma'am. Thank you very much. But I have a little. I'm going to ask you a little specifically.
Yeah.
I have a 10-year-old son.
Yes.
If my son wants to communicate very, very openly to teacher, very, very freely, if he needs to ask a question, or he wants to tell her that I didn't understand this. No, I think this is something I'm not very clear. So for him to communicate better to a teacher, or for him to communicate better to a milkwala, or for him to communicate better to my mother, that's a different generation altogether. I'm talking about in day-to-day life for our children. What is that thing? One thing we need to help them to be a better communicator in their life.
So first
not
thing
as a
is that-
speaker. I'm not. They don't gathering for their real life.
So first thing is
They
we
can
need
also
to
address assembly also, probably.
Yeah. So the first thing is like they need to have that courage inbuilt with them, and the freedom which you're going to give to them. There should be no stoppage in addressing whatever they wanted to speak. It's like பெரியவங்க இதை சொல்லக்கூடாது, இந்த இதுக்கு இந்த இடத்துல நீ இதை பேசக்கூடாது, something like that, which we generally tend to do it, because we are all brought up in that kind of a culture. That openness is what we need to give, the opportunity is what we need to give to them to speak what is there in their mind. uh, from from childhood, 10 is a perfect age for him to uh, to cultivate this habit in him. There is something which we say that you need to inbuild that character within them. You need to ensure that his actions are guided to get that habit, and that habit to convert it into a character. So we need to never stop any actions which they wanted to take, so that it becomes their habit and it becomes a character in future. So we have a saying in Seven Habits, sow thought, reap an action, sow an action, reap a habit, sow habit, reap a character. So this is how we build a character for a person. So first you need to act, you need to ensure that we say, right, 21 days you follow, it becomes a habit for you. That habit becomes the character of that particular thing. So actions in place, everything comes automatically. That's something which you can try to. And
Sure.
yeah, thanks. Thanks for this opportunity.
I think she said that so beautifully. I don't need to add any more.
Thank
Well
you.
done, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And a good question too.
Thank you so much. I think with that we'll have to end this session. It's been such a pleasure, but I'd now like to invite Mr. Ramana Balaji sir to say a few words as a concluding note.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sudhir. When I met you, Mr. Divakar introduced you to me once when you both were doing a training session for a company in ECR. At that time, we had a very quick chat. That time, I admired you for the kind of fitness routines you practice. And even Divakar was talking more about that. You focus. And today, for the first time, I'm listening to you. It's brilliant. It's an opportunity for me as a parent and for the entire Rock community to learn so many aspects, how to be a great human being as a citizen of India. At the same time, as parents, what we really need to adapt and what we need to live as an example by practicing these values, and we need to build a character. We should understand us, and we need to build a character so that the children see us, look us. We'll be a live example for them to learn from us, and we help them to build a character. That's beautifully you're done. It's a very, very interesting and very creative session, I would say. Very interactive. Right from the beginning, you engaged the audience, and it was not listening like you. Very clearly, you told it's not going to be a one way. It is like just having a coffee and chatting with you. And it's very beautifully, I think you imparted this knowledge. Beautiful, sir. Thank you very, very much for agreeing to do this. It's an honor to have you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And, it was a pleasure to be here. And so, on a Sunday evening, for the parents to sit there and listen to me, I mean, that was great. It's my privilege. And I had a good time too. Thank you. Great.
Thank you.
The children had fantastic answers too.
Yeah. Thank you for taking your time out on a Sunday evening. It's very generous. We also have Divakar sir here. I mean, he needs no introduction.
Oh, thank you very much, Sudhir. It was a wonderful session. I have enjoyed the camaraderie with you and many interactions which have shaped me a lot. And thanks to the Rock team also to have you over here. It will be a brilliant. I hope parents would have enjoyed it. But personally, I enjoyed that video related on the privilege. There was a big lesson. I hope every parent will see that YouTube video again, and they will know very well that how it creates an impact in people's lives. It's a brilliant video. So thank you very much for impacting in this week for our Rock community. And I also request all the parents, the video will be in our YouTube channel. So Sandhya will add it. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Thanks, Divakar.
Yes, like Divakar sir said, I mean, good messages, good thoughts should always be shared. and we should not keep it only to ourselves. So this video, along with all our other Rak Talk sessions, will be available in our official YouTube channel, Rak Academy of Dance. Please do subscribe so that you can stay updated and you get notified for all our updates. And you can share this video with your family, with your friends, because I think we've got a wealth of information today. Thank you, Sudhir sir. This session has been really, really interesting and engaging right from the start till the end. I don't think anybody has moved out, and I personally myself really enjoyed it. It's a pleasure to have met you, and hopefully we can get you back soon on any other topic, because I'm sure you have much more rolled up your sleeves. So with that, I conclude today's session. Thank you all for being back here, and your presence here motivates us to bring a special session for you every week. And on that note, we will be back next Sunday with yet another session. So until then, good night, good evening, take care. Bye-bye.